Alright guys, today we're doing something special. We're doing ABBA, Dancing Queen, a piano solo version with melody in the right hand. We have we did the 3 lines there, and we'll have all of the lessons for this on my website, webpianoteacher.com. I don't have it written up there this time, but it's webpianoteacher.com. Thousands and thousands and thousands of lessons on there that I've done over the past 12 years. And we'll do the part 1 lesson right here, and then we'll finish it on the website. We'll start with, I didn't do a glissando, but you can hold the pedal down and do a little glissando. Start this arrangement. So a little glissando coming down. I like to just use my fingers here instead of using the thumb, because that'll kind of rub the skin off on your thumb, on the skin right above your thumbnail. So I like to just use my fingers and then get started. But do hold the pedal. It'll give that kind of harp sound that you're looking for. And we'll start with an A chord, E, A, C sharp. Left hand on an A octave. We're going to just vamp the left hand throughout. It's just an A octave. And the great majority of the time, it's just an octave. You just have to know which octave you're on. And we're on A for a while. If you're new to vamping, just start out like this. Just playing the A as a quarter note. And then you can start to try to mix in some more neat rhythms in there besides just the straight quarter note. But A on the left hand, right hand E, A, C sharp. That little B in parentheses is for later when we do a repeat, so not yet. And then E on the thumb, and then E, A, bum, 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 and then E again. And then back to your A chord. And then an E on the thumb, and then D, B, and then just a plain D. So it's bum, 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 bum. Again. Glissando, 4. Sorry, 4. Now, in the next measure, we keep the A octave on the left hand, but instead of an A chord in the right hand, we go to a D chord, which works because A is in a D chord, isn't it? D, F sharp, A. So we have D, F sharp, A, D, 1, 2, 3, 5, and then D, F sharp, and D on the thumb again, then F sharp, D with the 2, 5, bop, 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 bop. D again, and then we go bum, bum, bum. So E and C sharp is called a sixth. They're a sixth apart. I'll use fingers 1 and 5, then D, B with fingers 1 and 4, C sharp, A with 1 and 3, bum, 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 like that. So that measure is da, 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 bum, 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 bum. Let's put those 2 measures together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, bum, bum. Next measure, bum, bum, bum. So we have D and B, and then E, A, C sharp, and then you have it again. So da, 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 and up high, which is C sharp, E, A. I like to use 2, 3, 5. You might want to use 1, 2, 5. That works pretty good. Then it's B, E, G sharp, and then A, D, F sharp. That gets us into the next measure. So starting there, bum, 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 ba, bum, ba, bum. And this is finishing that measure right at the end. So what you do is you get your hand on a D chord, every finger in position, D, F sharp, A, D with 1, 2, 3, 5, and go da, 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 da. So if I start right here, da, 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 2, 3. Okay, so I'm just vamping that left hand. So whatever comes out, it doesn't matter. Well, what you play, how many times you play, it doesn't matter what you play. You want to play an A, as long as you change to the next chord when it's time. That's the only rule there. You've got to change, get to the next measure when it's time to get to the next measure. Okay, so why don't we do from the very beginning slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. go. Now we do have a repeat here. Black dot to black dot. So there's the first black dot up there. We're going to play to the second black dot, which is right there. So we play that again. Don't do the glissando, but this time the person in the video that I'm going from plays a B in there instead of the A. Or you can mix in the B with it. Doesn't matter, but just adds a little flavor to the chord. And that's it. So da 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 da. Then we're here. So after you do the repeat, you just keep on moving. E, G sharp, B, left hand on a G sharp. So right here it's da 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 3 4. So count 4, E, G sharp, B, left hand on a G sharp, and then da da da. That's going to be E, C sharp with 1 and 5, and a B, then an A with 4 3. So da da da. We have A, C sharp, A. So at the end there you have A, C sharp, E, A, 1 2 3 5 da 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 da. That's fast. Left hand goes from F sharp. I think the person in the video does this F sharp and this E. But it goes E, E, da 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 da. So ba 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 da da da. So I just like playing it low. And now we go. So da da ba. E, G sharp, C sharp with 1 2 5. Left hand on an E octave. And then we go E again on the thumb. And then E, G sharp, B. There's a staccato there, a little dot. And you know, if you ever played music notation, you know that little dot, you play it short, you put a little space in there. Now here it's E, F sharp, B. Well, what the person in the video does, I like to add a G sharp in there with it. To have 4 notes, E, F sharp, G sharp, B. So that's what I'm going to do. Bum, 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 bum. And another E, and then da, da, da. Just F sharp, B with 2 and 5. Then a G sharp, then the E. Da, da, da. So da, 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 ba, ba, da, da. Again, da, 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 da. Okay? Now, so here we have lots of sharps. Excuse me. C sharp, F natural, G sharp, C sharp, left hand on a C sharp octave, then C sharp on the thumb, and then we'll play C sharp, F natural, G sharp, B as a staccato, bop, bop, bop. Play that chord again, and then back to the C sharp on the 5th finger, and then C sharp, F natural. So da 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 da, bop, bop, bop. Again, da 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 da. Okay, those two measures together. The person in the video doesn't play an E. I like to play an E there. So la 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 la. I like to put an E in there. You don't have to. You can just keep the F sharp. It's just a passing tone to get to the D sharp. You know. So that's up to you. But F sharp there. You can also put a little C sharp in there if you want to. Since our octave is so high, you can put a C sharp in there. Get to the E though, if you're gonna play the E, just the straight E. When you get to the D sharp, just the D sharp. So the right hand C sharp, F sharp, A, 1 2 4, and then C sharp, B, and then C sharp, G sharp, C sharp, F sharp, A, C sharp, B, C sharp, G sharp. So da 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 da. So da da da. It's gonna be B and A together, and then G sharp, F sharp with 4 3 da da da, and a B on the thumb again. Now move up, D sharp, F sharp, C sharp with 1 2 5, then a B, then an A. So here's D sharp, so da 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 da. Again. Okay, let's put that together, starting here. And the person in the video that I was I'm using, is obviously using some sheet music, but she's adding to it. So I think I found the sheet music that she used, but she's adding to it, just kind of vamping with it, you know, playing what's there and adding some to it, which I do that all the time. D, E, G sharp, 1, 2, 4, and then A, and then D, E, F sharp, A. Left hand on a D, and then A, and then A, F sharp, D, A. So da, da, da. Right, then the next measure, B, D, G sharp, left hand on a B. Go to A on the soprano, A, D, and then D, B, A, G sharp. So and then the next line we'll do that. Da, da, da. So right there again. Okay, let's go from the double bar to the end.